I'm stranded in paradise in Seychelles.
It's 11:31. Now the party's done. Get off the floor.
So, the bike tour around the island.
Time to go home. Or you can stay the night. I know where we've been, yeah. But baby, that was then. Who knows where this goes? I'm scared of this ghost. Oh, don't assume I don't, just because I won't fall in. Maybe after this we can call it quits, destiny. Maybe we should try.
So here we go. I'm one of the last tourists here. All the people are leaving the island. I think we are the only one tourist left.
What if we lose again? What if the story ends? What if we lose again? Again, no.
So, we've made it to Grand Anse. Let's have a drink, chill out at the beach, and maybe to walk at Anse Cocos.
I made ice from my tears. No.
Now this here is Anse Grand, or the big beach, Digue. They just made a nice place for the wedding ceremony.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem. Man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Hey. What if it's different this time? What if we lose? What if we lose again? What if the story ends? What if we lose again? In my dream.
The church. This was the church here in Digue. It's a pretty interesting building here, surrounded by palms and trees.
Never were alone. Yeah. Like a rose.
very nice open shower.
Baby, it's you. And I would never hear. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your piece, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back. Baby, what if we lose again? What if the story ends? What if we lose again?